Imagine strolling through your fragrant garden next spring, where every breeze carries a whisper of sweetness and every corner invites you to pause and breathe it in. Today, we're talking about 7 fragrant perennials that deserve a home in your autumn planting lineup. Many of the most breathtakingly fragrant flowers actually prefer being planted in the cooler months. Planting in fall gives their roots time to settle into the cool, steady soil, setting them up for stronger growth and more abundant fragrance when the garden wakes up again in spring. Let's begin with one of the most luxurious blooms of all, peonies. Often called the royalty of the garden, peonies are nothing short of majestic when in full bloom. Each blossom looks like it's been crafted from silk, with layers of ruffled petals that open into enormous flowers. Their fragrance is soft and romantic, sweet enough to make you want to linger just a little longer in the garden. Peonies aren't a short-term fling. They're a lifetime investment. When planted in the right location, they can thrive for 50 years or more, returning every spring with even bigger blooms. But there's one golden rule: don't plant them too deep. Keep the eyes, those small buds on the roots, no more than 2 inches below the surface, or you'll end up with lots of leaves and no flowers. Because their blooms are so heavy, give them some support with rings or stakes before they start flowering. And when it comes to color, peonies give you a painter's palette. Soft pinks and creamy whites for romance, bold reds for drama, or coral and yellow varieties that bring warmth and cheer. Now, if peonies are the royalty, lavender is the soul of a serene garden. This beloved perennial is as practical as it is beautiful. Lavender thrives in hot, dry conditions, making it the perfect drought-tolerant plant for those blazing summer heat waves. Its silvery green leaves and iconic purple flower spikes sway gracefully in the breeze, adding movement and texture to your beds and borders. But the real magic is in the fragrance, fresh, calming, and timeless. It's like bottling up summer and peace in one plant. Bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects absolutely love lavender, so you're also supporting your garden's ecosystem. After the first flush of flowers, prune lavender back heavily to encourage a second round of blooms before winter. And when harvested, those flowers can fill your home with their scent. Dry them for sachets, teas, or homemade oils. A row of lavender isn't just beautiful, it's a living perfume line and pollinator paradise. For something a little unexpected and deliciously unique, plant chocolate cosmos. These dark, velvety flowers look like they belong in a dessert display. Their deep burgundy petals give off the irresistible aroma of real chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Step near them, and it's as if someone's baking brownies nearby. They're the garden's little secret treat, a desert garden surprise, pun intended, that makes visitors do a double take. Chocolate cosmos love full sun and well-draining soil. In colder climates, treat them like tender perennials. Dig up the tubers and store them indoors for winter, then replant in spring. They look stunning in borders or containers and pair beautifully with lighter flowers that make their dark blooms pop. Next, meet the show stealer of summer evenings, garden phlox. If you want your garden to come alive when the sun sets, this is the plant to choose. Its clusters of star-shaped flowers come in dreamy shades of pink, purple, and white, and the fragrance intensifies at dusk, filling the air with a soft, sweet perfume. That's why garden phlox is often called the evening perfume of the garden. Plant it near patios, seating areas, or walkways where you can enjoy its scent during summer nights. Garden phlox blooms from midsummer to early fall, just when many other plants are fading away. Be sure to give it plenty of space. Good air circulation prevents mildew. And keep deadheading. Spent blooms to encourage even more flowers. Butterflies can't resist it, and honestly, neither will you. While we're talking fragrance, no garden perfume collection is complete without roses. A well-placed rose bush, or better yet, a climbing rose, can scent an entire section of your garden. Choose disease-resistant varieties, and you'll have fewer worries about black spot or mildew. Climbing roses trained over arches, fences, or trellises add height, elegance, and that unmistakable romantic fragrance that's been loved for centuries. Each variety offers its own scent, some spicy, some fruity, others deeply floral. Plant them where you can enjoy their perfume every day, near a doorway, along a garden path, or beside a bench where you like to sit and unwind. Now, for a low-growing option that adds charm and aroma, plant creeping thyme. It's not only a fragrant perennial ground cover, but also a tough little plant that thrives in full sun and poor soil. When you walk across it or brush against its tiny leaves, it releases a fresh herbal fragrance, like summer captured underfoot. Creeping time is perfect between stepping stones, along borders, or as a filler around taller plants. Plus, its delicate pink or purple blooms attract bees, making it both beautiful and beneficial. Finally, round out your fragrant collection with bearded iris. Though it's best known for its bold, sword-like foliage and striking flowers, many iris varieties also have a wonderful sweet scent. The rhizomes are best planted in fall, just like peonies, giving them time to establish before winter. Irises add architectural beauty and a burst of fragrance to your spring and early summer garden. Choose varieties in different colors: lavender, deep purple, peach, or even bicolor, to match your garden's personality. So as November's chill settles in, don't think your gardening days are over. This is the perfect time to set the stage for a fragrant garden that will delight your senses for years to come. From the rich sweetness of peonies to the soothing scent of lavender and the irresistible aroma of chocolate cosmos, these perennials promise beauty, longevity, and a touch of garden magic that keeps giving season after season. Plant them now, and by next summer, your garden will be more than just a visual feast. It'll be a fragrant paradise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow garden dreamers. Your November planted perennials will thank you next spring.